Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Docusign for automated e-signature workflows with AI, full guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Docusign website by typing in www.docusign.com. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button to access your account. Upon successful login, you will be redirected to your Docusign dashboard. To set up automated e-signature workflows, locate the Templates tab on the left sidebar and click on it. Click on the New button to create a new template. Follow the prompts to select the documents you wish to include in your workflow. You can either upload a new document or choose one from your library. Once your document is loaded, define the roles for each signer by adding the necessary fields. Adjust settings for notifications and reminders as needed to streamline the process. To incorporate AI into your workflow, explore the Smart Fields option. Utilizing smart fields can enhance automation by automatically populating information. After configuring your template, save it by clicking on the Save button. To use your template, go back to your dashboard and click on the Send an Envelope option. Select your new template from the list. Add recipients by entering their email addresses and assigning roles. Review your settings and then click Send to initiate the e-signature process. Monitor the status of your documents in the Manage section of your dashboard. This will allow you to track when documents are viewed, signed, and completed. With these steps, you are now prepared to efficiently log into Docusign and manage automated e-signature workflows with AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.